So we have 4a minus 5 to be equal to a plus 3. Like I said in the previous videos, this shortcut method you actually use when you need to get the answer immediately, probably in the job interview situation. Okay, using this method, we'll simply need to rearrange by grouping. Here, there's a here, there's a here. So I'm going to remove this a from this side and this 5 from this side, so that the a can come to under 4 here, while the 5 can come to under 3. But the thing is, the 5 has a minus sign, a negative sign introducing it. So you're going to bring the negative sign along with it. Next, you put a negative minus sign here. You're going to subtract the ones at the bottom from the ones on top. So go 4a minus a here will give you 3a to be equal to 3 minus 5. That is 3 minus 5. Minus will give you plus. 3 plus 5 will give you 8. Next, to find the value of a, you need to remove 3 from here. By doing what? Dividing here by 3. When you divide here by 3, you also do the same thing on the right hand side, because this is an equation. What you do on the left hand side, you do on the right hand side. 3 cancel 3 will give you 1. So you are left with a to be equal to 8 over 3. The second example, we'll take our sheet up. Have another question there. Let's look at 1 plus 8 y to be equal to 5y plus 3 plus y. Right? So we're still going to rearrange. First, we'll put a minus sign in between. We're going to bring 5 and y to this side, the left hand side, to come under 8. So we'll have 5y and y come under 8. Then we'll eliminate 1 from here to come under 3 is equal to 1 will come under 3. Right? So we're going to minus the whole of this from this. So we're going to have 8y minus 5y. That's going to give you 3y. 3y minus y will give you 2y. So be equal to 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, to find the value of y, you divide here by 2. What you do to the left hand side is an equation. You do the same thing to the right hand side. So this will cancel this. You have y to be equal to 2 here 1. 2 here will give you 1. Pause this video and do well to smash the subscription button if you have not already done so that more of this video, the mathematical trick, will continue to come your way. We'll take a third example. Take our screen up. Let's look at 2b minus 4 to be equal to 8 plus b. You can pause this video and try this one on your own. See what you come up with. Alright, if you don't that, we can do it together. Here, you're going to bring b to come under 2. Okay, doing that, you bring b here. First, you place a minus sign in between. Then here, you're going to take this 4 away from here. It has a minus sign. So here you come and bring minus 4 under 8. Then go ahead and subtract. 2b minus b will give you b to be equal to 8 minus 4. That is 8 minus 4. Minus here will be plus. That will give you 12. So B is equal to 12. If you were to do this in the long, following the real algebraic process, particularly shortcut applies for when you are doing mathematics competition, job interview application, and questions that require you to answer that have multiple choice answers. When you are doing theory exam that require you to actually show your working, because your working actually comes with some form of marks. You don't use a shortcut. You follow the normal linear algebraic solution process. To do that with using the normal process, you are going to bring B to the left hand side to make 2B. You do what? You collect terms alike. Collect terms alike. Terms that are alike here, there are B's alike, 2B's alike. So you're going to bring B to make 2B. On a different line, when the positive B here crosses the equal to sign, it becomes minus B. You have an equal to sign there. Then you take this 4 to go across here. Your B went across to this side. Your 4 will go across to this other side. In doing that, you have your 8 left here. As your minus 4 crosses equal to sign, it becomes plus 4. So you have 2B minus B is like 2 oranges minus an orange will give you 1 orange. 1 orange there is a B. Normally, you cannot say 1B. 1B is appropriately written as B. So you have B. 2B minus B is going to give you B. So B equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. B is equal to 12. That's what we'll have here. Shortcut application 4, linear algebra. Let's try 15 minus 9 to be equal to 3x. We'll put that on 19. Should be fine. 15x minus 9 to be equal to 3x minus 19. So similarly, we'll put a minus sign in between. Then we'll take x, 3x to this other side to come here, at the bottom here. Then we'll bring 19 to this other side. In this case, so we'll bring 9 to this other side. In this case, is a minus in front of 9 there. So this is gone. This is gone. So here we'll have 15x minus 3x. That will give us 12x to be equal to minus 19 minus 19. Sorry, minus 9. Minus 19 here. Minus here. Minus 9. Minus will give you plus. You have minus 19 plus 9. That gives you this will go, that's 10, right? So you have minus 10 as your answer there. So now to remove x from here, you divide both sides by 12. Divide here by 12, divide here by 12. Okay, this will cancel this. X will be equal to, what can go here? 2 will give you, here will give you minus 5. 2 here will give you 6. You can leave your fraction in that form.